Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gmail to Canva for branded attachments workflow, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Gmail to Canva for a branded attachments workflow, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to canva.com and log into your account. Once logged in, locate your design that you wish to attach to your email. Click on the download button in the top right corner of the screen. Select your preferred file type from the drop-down menu. Ensure that all settings are correct, then click the download button. After your design is downloaded, open your Gmail application or website. Compose a new email by clicking on the Compose button. In the new email window, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line that reflects the content of your email. In the email body, type your message or any instructions you wish to convey. To attach your downloaded design, click on the paperclip icon or the Attach Files option. Navigate to the folder where your Canva design is stored. Select the design and click Open to attach it to the email. Review the email to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click the Send button to deliver your email with the branded attachment. This process streamlines your workflow by integrating your design and email communications seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.